In this video, I'll guide you through how to use ClickUp Roles. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change someone's role in your workspace so that they have the right level of access and permissions. Let's start with a bit of context. In ClickUp, roles control what people can see and do. For example, an admin can manage settings, billing, and people, while a member might only be able to work on tasks and projects. Making sure each person has the correct role keeps your workspace organized and secure and helps prevent accidental changes to important settings. First, you'll need to open the people area of your workspace. Look toward the top left corner of your ClickUp interface for your workspace avatar. This is usually a small icon or image that represents your workspace, not your personal profile picture. Go ahead and click that workspace avatar. When you do, a menu will open. From that menu, select People. This is where you manage who's in your workspace and what they're allowed to do. Once you're on the People page, you'll see a list of everyone who has access to your workspace. This can include admins, members, and guests, depending on how your account is set up. Take a moment to scan through this list and find the person whose role you want to adjust. If you have a large team, it may help to use any available search or filter options to locate them more quickly, but the main idea is simply to find the correct person in that list. When you've found the right person, look across their row to the column labeled Role. In that role column, you'll see their current role displayed, such as admin, member, or another role that your workspace uses. This is the role you're going to change. Click directly on their current role. This will open a drop-down menu that shows all the roles that are available in your workspace. Depending on your plan and setup, you might see several options here, each with different levels of permissions. Take a second to think about what this person actually needs to do. If they're responsible for managing settings or inviting new people, they might need a higher level role. If they're just working on tasks and projects, a more limited role could be more appropriate. Now, from that drop-down menu, select the new role you want to assign to this person. Once you click the role, ClickUp will apply that change to their account. There usually isn't a separate save button for this. The new role is applied as soon as you select it. You may notice the label in the role column update immediately to reflect the new selection. That's all you need to do to change a role in ClickUp. Click your workspace avatar, open the People section, find the person you want, click their existing role, and choose the new one from the drop-down. It's a quick process, but it has a big impact on how people use your workspace, so it's worth double-checking that you've selected the correct person and the right role before you move on. With this process, you can keep your team permissions up to date as responsibilities change and your workspace grows.